Hello?
Why am I always exhausted? Why can't I focus on anything important?
Hold on for a second. You're exhausted because you're using up your mental capacity on things that don't matter. Your mind isn't infinite. It's got a daily usage limit. Shall we take a look at what is draining your usage limit? Yeah, come on, let's do it. Okay, I'm going in.
Welcome back, Soul Players. So in this Mind Update session, we are diving deep into 3 core insights that will help you change the way you manage your mental energy. So the first being, your mind has a daily usage limit. What it actually looks like and why it's crucial to understand. The second, how to optimize your mental bandwidth so you can move through life with more clarity, focus, and flow. And lastly, practical strategies to help you consciously handle the constant mental stream of input data you face every day. So by the end of this session, you will have a clear system and a strategy to stop draining your mental energy and start using it with intention and purpose. Let's upgrade your mental game. Let's go.
Mental overload mode activated.
Your mind is like a phone battery. You start the day fully charged, 100%. Use it carelessly, and by midday, you're fried. Each notification, every headline, every little distraction, it all adds up. And before you even realize it, your mental usage limit for that day is almost gone. That is why you feel drained, scattered, and stuck.
Too many tabs open in your mind.
We need to close tabs in here. 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 Too many tabs, too many tabs. 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 Why are you overwhelmed? Because you are trying to absorb and respond to everything simultaneously. Here's the truth. Multitasking is a myth. What you're actually doing is attention switching. You're jumping from one thing to another rapidly. That switching, it's draining your mental energy every time. You never truly finish anything and you just burn through your mental usage limit faster.
Warning, system lag, 100 tabs open.
Trying to absorb everything all at once is like keeping 100 web browsing tabs open. Eventually, your mental system lags, freezes, or just crashes. Fix that thing. Work deadline. Did they text back? What's for dinner? I need to go to the gym. Book that appointment. Reply back to emails. You're not broken, you're just overloaded. Your mind is not meant to run everything all at once.
Log it. Don't load it yet.
We all get ideas, tasks, and opportunities throughout our day. But here's the thing. You don't need to jump on everything immediately. Every time you act instantly, you split your focus and you stretch your mental bandwidth thin. The key is to log it, not load it. When an idea comes in, treat it like a flow tab, not a mind tab. Flow tabs are guided by your energy, not your mental urgency. You act when you feel the impulse and not when your mind pressures you to. This is a real skill. This is a mastery, learning the difference between the two, an impulse and the mind pressure. If you want to dive deeper into this concept of mind tabs and flow tabs, check out my other video, Your Mind is Not a Web Browser. I break down mind tabs versus flow tabs in more detail. I'll link it in the video card up there and in the video description down below. So here's the move. Note it, store it, and let it sit. Wait until your mental usage clears up before you act. That's how you manage your mind like a game. You don't burn all your energy on one level. You track what matters and you play it when the timing is right. Flow tabs, log now, play later. So you have these active mind tabs on the left. To change them into a flow tab, we are going to log it as a flow tab. Track it now and act later. That's mental bandwidth mastery. You log it your way. You journal, notes app, voice memo, sticky notes. What you track consciously is what grows. Remember, Every idea isn't a task. Log it now and play later. That's how you protect your mental bandwidth and still grow. So before we move on to the last step, I would like to share a practice which has changed my life dramatically. I play my life every day like a video game. Each day is a new level. I log the date, the level number, and I track what matters. My wins, my ideas, my distractions, everything, right? Right now, I'm on chapter 37. Each chapter has 365 levels. And this is my playbook. I log everything in here every day and I carry it with me just like my phone. You don't need to copy this format. Use sticky notes, use your phone, whatever works for you. The point is, don't carry it in your head. Log it, track it, and let it grow. Only when you track it, then it can grow. The more you build your awareness, the more you build your energy field, the more you can mentally handle without burning out. This isn't just about mental bandwidth. It's about energy expansion. When your energy grows, flow becomes effortless. If this practice and concept resonates with you, check out my God-filled playlist. It's where I share this framework in massive detail. And I show you how to activate your soul player and how to start gaming your life with intention. Trust me, it's changed my life. I love gaming my life.
Install your mental filter. Flow with discernment.
In a world of constant input, you need a filter, a way to evaluate what deserves your attention and what doesn't. Because here's the truth, not every opportunity, not every task, not every idea deserves to become a flow tab in your system. Some tasks look good on paper, but they'll drain your energy because they're not aligned with your values or resonance. You might think, I could make money out of this. This could go viral. This could be useful. But deep down, it doesn't feel right. That's your system telling you this is mind-based and not feeling-based. Your mental filter helps you separate between what's true for you and what's just noise on the outside, pressure and conditional programming. So before you log anything, ask the right questions. Using the self-inquiry method. This method acts as a search engine within your mind and energy field, helping you program your mental filter. Asking these questions, does this clearly align with my values and purpose? Will this expand or drain my energy field? Is this coming from inner resonance or outer pressure? With these questions, you will be able to differentiate between whether you need to close these mind tabs or create a flow tab. This is how you build discernment. This is how you stop saying yes to every mental narrative and start saying yes to your actual energy. Use these questions daily to reinforce your inner mental framework. They will help you stay focused on what truly matters, so you stop giving your energy away to what doesn't. So remember, the goal isn't to filter your life through your mind. Real life is filtered through your energy. When you let energy lead, your mind becomes the assistant and not the master.
The reason why you're exhausted is because you're using up your mental capacity.
So to wrap this video up, key things to remember here is you don't need to absorb everything. You don't need to act on everything. You just need to know what truly aligns with you and let the rest go. Log what resonates, release what doesn't, and flow with intention. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, hit subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment down below. What are you saying no to this week to protect your energy? Let's build this awareness together. Until next time, stay conscious, stay clear, and let's solve and evolve together. Soul players, goodbye.